Hi, I'm David Hauser, owner of Morningstar Doors and Windows, and today we're bringing you a how-to. Make sure to subscribe, follow us on Instagram at Morningstar Doors and Windows. If you like this, hit the like button and leave a comment. Okay, so now we're going to be taking a look at something called the jamb adjuster. A jamb adjuster is a unique screw that will protrude out on replacement double hungs. Each manufacturer may have a slightly different type of screw, which would require a slightly different type of tool to access it. We're just going to give you a demonstration on this window, but keep in mind each manufacturer, like I said, might be slightly different. So the first thing you want to do is unlock the window and tilt it in. Once you have it tilted in, they might have a little cover. You're going to pull that off. Inside the window, you're going to see this little screw. Okay, so moving this screw, that's going to put pressure onto the stud, which will bring the frame in and make the reveal between the sash and the frame tighter. That's how you adjust the jamb. So by pressing the pin outward, it's going to move the frame inward to make this section tighter. So regardless of which window you're working with, this is a jamb adjuster. That's where it can be found. So tightening and loosening will adjust this gap here.